a CI in AWS with GitHub. You're going to need to use two services, CodeBuild and CodePipeline, but first you need to create a build project in CodeBuild. Now you need to specify the source code integration. We're going to use GitHub, and with OAuth, we're going to connect to my GitHub account where the Flask app is hosted. Now we need to set the environment for our runner, which is going to just be an image for the virtual machine, and we're going to use Amazon's defaults. Now we need to specify the IAM service role and where to find the build spec file. So the build spec file is the build configuration file, and you have phases for the build, so install, pre-build, and build. It doesn't actually have a test phase, so we actually have to put the testing in the build. Create build project. Once this is done, we can make a pipeline. Again, specify a service role. Now we need to show it how to connect to the source code so that it doesn't have to pull for the changes, but it actually gets them sent from an API. Again, specify the repository and tell it how to build it. So we're going to just find our build project that we just made. Once it's done, you can add an optional deploy stage. I'm just going to skip that for now. And create pipeline. Now I just made a change, so I'm just going to commit that change and see if it registers. So if we go back to our console, you can see that actually a build's in progress right now. And then you can just go to phase details and see which parts succeeded and which parts failed.